Oh no, yes! To the left, bro! No! Right, come on! Oh no! I will kill! Oh no!
You have been slain.
It's very... I will die! Because I die. I'm hungry! And I will... Oh yes, I have a coconut tree. I will eat the coconut and then I will commission the owner of the coconut and I will go over there. Hey, hey Joe, I will permission you to get your coconut tree because I'm hungry. Oh no, it's no. I have no people around there. Okay, I give the idea. Yes, I will cut the coconut tree. I will climb. Yes, I will. Yes. Oh yes, it's very many coconut tree. Oh no, it's a very delicious coconut tree. I am climb that. Yes. Oh no. Okay, I have no owners. I will climb the tree. Coconut tree. I'm very delicious. I'm very hungry of water. I will climb this coconut tree. Yes. Oh yeah, coconut tree. I will over there. Yes. Oh yeah, it's very delicious. This is my favorite water. Hey, what are you doing? That's our coconut. What are you doing? Yes. If you caught me, don't shout. If I fall, you can catch me.
I don't care. I already fall to my crush, but he never catch me. We're fair. I will tell my father. Daddy!
What's happened?
Our coconut still by Tilax. Come on!
Yes, this is my coconut tree. I will run because father of WAZZUUP, Caesar is very angry. I will run.
Tilax! Why are you running?
No. Right, come on. Oh, no. I will kill. Oh no, I will die.